95% of what you are doing today, your habits, your fears, your decisions, it's not coming from you. It's coming from your subconscious mind that has been programmed since you were a child. Now, imagine a child is in control of your own life because you run on that program. And today I'm going to teach you how to rewire your subconscious mind and create your own desired results. I'm Ilia, I'm founder of Son of Lord Scientific Institute, and today we have subconscious mind and how to rewire it. In fact, for rewiring your subconscious mind, you must start using the power of autosuggestion. If you don't know what autosuggestion is, I recommend you to read this book. Simply saying, autosuggestion is the suggestions that you give from yourself to yourself. Okay? And these suggestions, they happen automatically, unconsciously, and you act or you behave in your life. And now, how to rewire your brain. Look, you have to use, as I said, the power of autosuggestion, but here on the whiteboard, I'm going to teach you in detail that how can you do this and also what is going to happen. Look, here we have one circle. This circle represents our brain and this one represents our body. And now, if you want to use the autosuggestion, what's going to happen in your brain? Look, let's say now you have one negative situation, okay? And you want to rewire your own subconscious mind to overcome this challenge. You have to start with the opposite of current negative situation. Let's say you don't have money, you should talk to yourself that you have money. Okay, it is just example. If you do so, here in your brain, you're going to create brain cells regarding what? Regarding the idea or the fact that you have money. Okay? If you repeat, it can be one sentence to yourself constantly and think about that. Feel the emotions. If you do so, you are creating new brain cells in your brain. Okay? Here is the key. If you do so, in fact, based on the neuroplasticity principle, you are going to rewire your own brain with the words, with the sentences, with the mental images that you choose consciously. And you can do this simply by autosuggestion. Okay, you have to learn about the psychology of autosuggestion and start using autosuggestion to rewire your own brain. If you do so, let's say you do so, okay, you're going to create here a lot of brain cells and then you're going to create neural pathways in your brain, and then your brain is going to use from here the stored data, okay, and guide you in your consciousness towards achieving that. And also here the data in your brain is going to help you to find some means and ways of making money and growing, The key is here in your brain. And how can you rewire your subconscious mind or your brain? Simply by autosuggestion. That's all. It's too easy, but you have to understand it and most importantly, do it. If you want to learn more, you can order this book. You can find this book via Amazon. It's available there, and I'm going to put the link here also under this video. Let me know your comments. Let me know that are you going to use autosuggestion to rewire your brain? Let me know in the comments, and also don't forget to check our website and also other videos that we have on channel and also the videos that may pop up here or here. Till the next one.